If you are not allowed to buy a Tesla, you have to buy a Tesla. If the battery is broken, it costs $20,000 to replace one. There are 4 batteries in the battery pack. Open the battery pack. This is the Long Cycle Motorcycle 3 battery pack. There are 4 TV modules in it, 23 strings, 25 strings, 25 strings, 23 strings, always 96 strings. This module only has low voltage. It's broken. Let's take it apart and repair it. Remove the broken battery module and test it. The characteristic telecom low voltage is normally 30 nV, but this string, the telecommunications voltage is 2.0 nV. This string is 2.2. The voltage is abnormal. Take a look at the connection aluminum plate of the battery module. There is a short circuit and burn place. This sampling point has the same potential as the aluminum plate behind it, and the voltage difference is 0. It is the same point, but the voltage measured from the back of the battery is normal. Normally it is 3.80 nV, which means there is something wrong with the voltage sampling point above. Pry open the connecting aluminum plate and find a copper wire to thread it in because this aluminum plate, it is at the same potential as the voltage sampling point above, so use copper wire to lead this point to the BMS acquisition board as the sampling point for this series of voltages. Add electrical soldering to make the copper wire and aluminum plate firmly connected. Apply this copper wire from the back of the battery to the front of the battery and finally to the BMS acquisition subboard, and solder the copper wire directly to the sampling point on the BMS board. I tested the battery voltage again and found it was normal, 3.80 nV. On the BMS version, the voltage of 3.80 nV and 3.0 nV is about 3.80 nV and 3.0 nV. It is no problem. Reinstall the repaired battery module.